fact that I'm ginger and that my skin would be the same color as my hair. Just the sun. No repercussions of being underneath the sun. Even no repercussions about being underneath the moon. Because the moon is just that much more of a relaxing kind of thing, more of a romantic kind of thing, making me think about all of those times where I'd be on the beach, love would take place, love in all forms, love in absolutely any kind of form, mouths open, thighs open even, nothing phasing anything, complete and utter just letting inhibition fall by the wayside. That's pretty much all I have.
Anybody around of you there, look around. Maybe you're not alone. Maybe somebody very special around of you. Maybe somebody important around of you. Just see it. Open up yourself, see it. Who do you see around?
Oh my God. Bathing suits galore. People within those bathing suits. Maybe even no bathing suits whatsoever. Either way, freedom. Complete and utter freedom. No shame, no qualms, no worrying about what other people think, just knowing that we're all here.
Is most of girls there, or most of guys there, or both?
A little of everything. A little of everything.
Are you attracted? Is anybody there?
Think of a few.
Who are you attracted with?
Well, I'm seeing tall people. Either which way, my name is Jack and I wouldn't mind climbing a beanstalk. I just love everybody. It doesn't matter male, female, it's just everybody's calm, everybody's loving, everybody's romantic.
Dancing there, just hugging each other, they're kissing each other.
Yes, all of the above.
It's beautiful dream. It's beautiful fantasy.
Absolutely.
What else do you see around? Just open up yourself more and more. Feel comfortable. Open up yourself more and more. Feel so comfortable to be who you are. Not worry about what people think. Be yourself. Feel comfortable. Feel this energy, universe energy walk around of you, in you, all over you. And everybody loves you because you are so good. You're great. You're amazing. You're just amazing.